So I come to Arlington because somebody told me they had a new chicken place and they got a B in front of it. So this the new chicken place. I'm probably gonna try it out. If they nasty, I'm gonna let y'all know. See if they got chicken wings and shit. Oh, they got chicken wings. Chicken. A bucket of chicken right there. You want to get. I know one thing, the prices are pretty high. But we're gonna find out what kind of this chicken is here. I didn't pull it up. So I end up ordering the 6-piece chicken meal and the chicken tenders.
The tenders are just a la carte? Alrighty.
That'll be it. And they got a la
To go, or are you dining in with us?
To go.
Is everything on the table correct?
Another thing, they don't sell white meat. They only got dark meat only. So be prepared to eat dark meat and tenders. And it's a la carte, if I'm saying it right. And they got a pie that say ooh wee pie. And they got a pineapple and, what's that, pineapple and peaches? Who? Mango pineapple pies and everything. Jubilee. Whatever it is. Hold on, my food ain't came yet, but it'll be here momentarily.
I also listen. I got a little cousin that he jam too though.
Whatever this pine, quenching that motherfucker bad. So far, it's about a 9. I got cool little buckets too. Remind me of KFC. Chicken tenders, crispy chicken, mashed potatoes, gravy. Mashed potatoes don't taste too bad, y'all. They're good. You know I gotta put ketchup on a big boy. On the big boy. Let's see.
Yeah, it's probably some everyone. I ain't gonna tell the girl. Maybe they're probably please you and some.
Jubilee chicken tastes totally different. It's good too, y'all. Go try it out. Arlington, Texas. Stay tuned. Right now I gotta finish eating. Yeah, this is probably for white people. This ain't no nigga chicken here, y'all.
Nah, this ain't no nigga chicken.
This ain't no nigga chicken, y'all. And I'm out.